Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three potential altcoins to buy here in the month of October. If we take a look here in the market in the past 24 hours, the market is down a little bit. We are down about 0.2%. Our top gainers here in the past 24 hours can be Request, which is up about 17.9%, trading at around this 24 cents area. We have our highest volume, Bitcoin at 40.5 billion volume right there. Ethereum at 17.8. And as we can see, Bitcoin's down about 1.4%, Ethereum's down about 0.5%. But here's the tricky one, guys. So remember when we talked about how Bitcoin and Ethereum have been kind of exploding in the past few weeks? Meanwhile, the altcoins have kind of been just stable. Well, now it seems like we're seeing the opposite happen. So as those large cap coins start to rise, now the mid cap and the low cap coins are starting. So Binance Coin up almost 12%, Solana 4.7%, Polkadot 5%, Luna 1.2%, Avalanche 4%. We see some other coins down here that are up in the green as well. So we're seeing a lot of these altcoins start to rise on up higher now as Bitcoin and Ethereum are staying either steady or down a tiny bit, even though right now Bitcoin is still doing very great, obviously. So things are still looking good, but these altcoins are starting to, pump on higher, guys. So definitely something to watch. And if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. We're almost at 44,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. Leave a comment below. Which cryptocurrencies are you buying in the month of October? Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin is going to be Binance Coin BNB. So this one here on Tuesday, it started to make some great moves here in the morning, obviously early on in the morning, and continue to go higher from under 400 to over 460 at one point here. We're up about 11.8%, trading at 458. In the past week, we're up about 3.7%. In the past month, 10% or so. And then on the 1 year chart, 1,394%, which is just insane. This coin was worth $31 last year. We went up to highs here, obviously, in May to 690. Pulled back down with the market under 300, and now we're making a little bit of a recovery. Obviously, high market cap coin right here, 76.9 billion market cap. So it is one of the larger cap coins. All-time high 690, like we said. Volume is definitely higher than usual, and that's definitely helping this as well. So for those of you who aren't familiar, obviously, with Binance Coin, where have you been living? Are you under a rock? So Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency. You used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So this is one of, obviously the biggest coins out there. It's ranked either 3 or 4 depending on the market cap of other coins when they fluctuate, like Cardano, but they're always back and forth, either 3rd or 4th place right there. Binance Coin, definitely one of those coins that we're going to be looking forward to, 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, because it just has so much potential, and it is one of the biggest coins right now, and it continues to grow higher and higher every single month, every single, year. So Binance Coin, definitely want to be adding to your radar with these type of gains. Obviously, if you invested $1,000 into it last year, you'll be up over $13,000 profit right now, which is a great return, obviously, in 1 year, over 1,300%. That is insane. If you were investing in the stock market, you would be expecting gains of about 10%, maybe 15% if you got really lucky. So getting a 1,300% return, that's just insanity right there, and that's the power of the crypto market, obviously. And it's obviously a high risk, high reward type situation. But Binance Coin is going to be our first coin. Our second coin is going to be Solana, SOL. So this one obviously has been cooling off lately, and we're waiting for this breakout. So here in the past 24 hours, we're up about 4.7%, trading at 150, 143. In the past week, we're actually down 7.7%. In the past month, down 13%. And then on the 1 year chart, obviously, we're up 6,196%. This coin was trading at $2.40 last year. We went at the highs all the way up here in September at 215, or about 215 at the beginning of September. Pulled back down, obviously, to under 120, 130. And now we're making a little bit of a consolidation and a movement on up. Now we're hoping for some more movement here. Obviously, this coin was just trading at $23 in July. So since July, if you would have sold at the top here, you would have made over, 1,000% profit in a matter of about 2 months or so. Not even 2 months, maybe a month and a half. So Solana is definitely one of those coins that's benefiting also from the NFT hype, and there's a lot of NFT hype going on right now in this summer and obviously going into the fall. And as NFT continues to boom on higher, so is Solana right here, as we can tell. 45.5 billion market cap right now. Volume is up 62% higher than usual at 3 billion. Typical hold time 22 days. It is ranked the number 5 coin on our list. Trading activity 69% buy activity, 31% sell. So for those of you not familiar with Solana, it is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Now Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. So one way Solana achieves high transaction speeds is via a combination of proof of stake consensus mechanism and a new mechanism called proof of history. Now, proof of history is designed to keep keep the time between the computers on a decentralized network without all the computers having to communicate about it and come to an agreement, obviously. So keep in mind, like Ethereum, Solana is a computing platform that can interact with smart contracts. Smart contracts power a wide range of applications, from NFT markets and DeFi to games and decentralized lotteries. And that's exactly why we're talking about Solana, because NFT is, hyped right now, and this is definitely something that, can get powered from these smart contracts by Solana. So one reason a user might choose an app that runs on Solana over, say, Ethereum is that the speeds are high and congestion is low, resulting in very low fees, which is obviously a positive thing because you get, less gas fees and different things like that. So Solana is definitely one of those coins that, you definitely want to be watching to see how it's going to perform, and if it continues to go higher and come back to these all-time high areas in the future. As the market cap right now is under 50 billion again, we see a lot of potential for Solana to grow in the future, especially as NFTs become more and more popular and just greener coins. Solana is obviously one of those greener coins, and we definitely want to see this coin continue to go higher in the near future. Everybody wants to transition to that green area. That's something that everybody was talking about in April. Why are we not talking about it right now? Well, because Bitcoin's at all-time high. So obviously that is a situation that we are, facing with right now. So Solana definitely want to add to your radar as well. And then last but not least, number 3, we have Avalanche AVAX. So this one is always going to be a momentum play in my opinion. So we always look at this one when it's a momentum play. Right now, this one is up about 3.94%, trading at $56. In the past week, this one is down about 12.5%. In the past month, down 4.5%. And then on the 1-year chart, it is up about 1,160%. So this coin was trading at $4 last year, went up to highs here in February at 55, pulled back down with the market to under $10 at one point here in July, and then we skyrocketed on the higher all the way to over $80 in September. So that is about a 700% gain in a matter of about a month or two, which is insane, obviously. We don't see gains like that very often, especially, in the stock market or something like that. But in the crypto space, this can happen. So right now, 12.4 billion market cap. Volume is about the same as usual, up about 26% from the usual. Typical hold time is 6 days, actually, is ranked number 10 coin right now. 77% buy activity, 23% sell activity. For those of you not familiar with Avalanche, it describes itself as an open for programmable smart contracts platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets as well. So this coin is definitely one of those momentum plays, but it is also a decent coin and one in, you could potentially be investing in as long as you do your own research and, it fits your criteria. This coin is a pretty decent coin. And especially with this momentum that we've been seeing in the past month or two, it is definitely one that's attracted everybody's eyes, and volume is definitely booming lately, and that's definitely what helps these prices rise on up. So volume is key. If we get high volume, that means a lot of people are going to be pouring money into these coins, and obviously that's when we see the rise. And then you want to be the first one out, obviously, because you don't want to be caught with a falling knife, because you're not the one that wants to catch it when it goes down all the way down. So whenever we make pullbacks like this, we look for opportunities for potential upside, and that's exactly what we're seeing with Avalanche here, and that's exactly why we're adding it to our radar for the month of October. Now, guys, that's what we're looking at for right now. Now, the rest of the market, Doge is still trading at 23 cents, guys, so we always cover these meme coins and different things. So in the past week or so, it's been on a downtrend, obviously. We saw it go up a little bit with Shiba and now pull back down. It is at a 30.2 billion market cap still, so still performing pretty decently. We have Shiba, which is still trading around, it's almost at that 3 level right there, 30000. So right here, we see it's about down 3.5% or so. And also, I don't know if I added an extra zero there, but I meant 3000. I believe I added an extra zero on that end. Also, guys, let's take a look right now and see what Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing. So Bitcoin, obviously, here in the past 24 hours, making a little bit of down momentum. It is down about $1,000 from the high. Obviously, we hit lows down here, on Tuesday at around 54,000 or so, and then obviously bounced right back up very, very quickly. Continue to go higher. In the past week, we're still green, 14%. past month 24%, past year over 387%, over that 1.1 trillion market cap, which is 37% of the crypto space, 60% buy activity, 40% sell activity. Bitcoin's performing beautifully. Ethereum is pretty much flat here in the past 24 hours. In the past week, flat as well. It's just been trading sideways. So Ethereum is definitely outperforming right now, or Bitcoin is definitely outperforming Ethereum here, even in the past month, only up 3% or so. So Bitcoin is definitely winning right there. But on the 1 year chart, Ethereum is the winner, 820%, definitely outperforming, over 2x compared to Bitcoin. Market cap currently at 414.8 billion, which is about 14% of the crypto market space. Trading activity right now, 62% buy, 38% sell activity. Volume is pretty much flat like usual. So Ethereum performing just as well. Obviously, we're seeing a little bit of a cool down, which is normal. We don't want it to be, overextended and overbought, because then we'll see a sharp decline and a big crash like we've seen in the past. So this is a nice thing to see, a little bit of a consolidation right here in these levels, and then hopefully another boom going into the end of the 2021. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which crypto are you buying in the month of October. I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is going to be financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.